And this morning, we're getting you all the latest updates on the face-off over what really played out in the Rajya Sabha a few days back, the August 11th ruckus. After the Modi government released damning videos showing the opposition MPs pulling and dragging marshals in the upper house, the Rajya Sabha has swung into action. The Rajya Sabha, in its report, and this is from, in fact, the officials in the upper house, in their report, they've named TMC and Congress MPs, holding them responsible for the ugly scenes that played out inside the house. TMC MP Dola Sin has been accused of pushing as well as arguing with lady marshals. CPM MP E. Karim was charged with manhandling and also choking a male marshal when the security officer tried to control the situation. Congress MPs Fulo Devi Netam, Chaya Verma and Shiv Sena MP Priyanka Chaturvedi have been charged with tearing papers and throwing it at the chair. The Rajya Sabha Chairman and Vice President Venkaiah Naidu met with the Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla to discuss all the ruckus and chaos that played out in the monsoon session of Parliament. Both the presiding officers have decided to examine past instances of such unruly behaviour in the House to decide on what action needs to be taken. And let's listen in to exactly what Union Minister Anurag Thakur had to say about these scenes in Parliament. He spoke exclusively to Rahul Kanwal.
I want to start by asking you about the opposition's charge that their voice was not being heard, their mics were being turned down. You've put out CCTV footage that shows that opposition leaders were attacking a women's marshal. The opposition says that is just one part of the story, not the full story. You haven't put out images where they were being attacked. How do you respond to the opposition's charge and concern that this session could not go on because the government wasn't willing to listen? Mr. Thakur, welcome.
Let me first say that we went to the Honorable Chairman Rajya Sabha to meet him and apprise him of the incident happened in the Rajya Sabha. Also requested him to take strict action against those who disrupted the proceedings of the Rajya Sabha, brought disrepute also to the Rajya Sabha and to the country as well. We always wanted to have debate on various issues. And on the day when the debate was on the farmers, it was the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress Party who were having competition among themselves, who can brought disrepute to the parliament and who can stoop low just to be in the news. Competition among those two, dancing on the tables, throwing files on the chair. Is that the right way to behave? And on the day when IT Minister was making a suo motu statement on the Pegasus issue, the papers were snatched, his statement was snatched and paper were teared apart. Apart than that, TMC members, when they were suspended for a day and they were outside, they thrashed the glass of the door and one of the security members was injured. All these things forced the chairman to take a call to put the parliamentary security staff, few women officers and few men inside the house, so to protect the table as well as the chair to run the house in order. But you could look at the video recordings, which only the opposition members record in the house, which is not allowed, and they posted on the social media. You could see in those recordings, it is the Congress MPs who are manhandling the women security officers, manhandling to the extent that it was difficult for her to perform her duties. Is it the right way to do? Is why they've been elected to the parliament, to do this kind of, or to bring this kind of disgrace, disrepute to the parliament? Can we expect better from our women MPs, especially from the Congress?
So you heard what the government has to say. They're condemning the behaviour, putting the onus on the opposition. Let me take this across now to Anand Patel. He's joining us live from Delhi with the latest updates. Anand, good morning. Since that video came out yesterday of, the jostling and the completely unruly scenes that we witnessed in the Rajya Sabha, action, we understand, has been taken now by the Rajya Sabha. Several MPs have been identified from that footage. Any word on what is the kind of action that will be taken against them?
Well, yes, good morning, Akshita. What played out in Rajya Sabha on 2 days, both on Tuesday and Wednesday, before the session being cut short, clearly, the manner in which the Rajya Sabha MPs particularly created ruckus, that has brought a lot of disrepute to the upper house, which is considered to be the house of the elders, where serious discussions and deliberations take place on the issues plaguing the country. Now, the number game in Rajya Sabha is, very strange, very interesting. Both opposition and NDA are stacked very close to each other, and that is the reason why we often see such kind of ruckus happening in Rajya Sabha. If you remember the farm laws, when they were passed, a similar kind of ruckus took place. And again, we saw a repeat in the monsoon session this time around. So clearly, that is one aspect of it, but the manner in which this entire ruckus took place after the government tried to push through the insurance bill at the last moment after the OBC bill was passed, that angered the opposition MPs. They were asking it to be sent to the select committee because that was not discussed with them. They were not taken into confidence. This was the opposition, stand. But the government has taken this very seriously. The meeting was held between Chairman Rajya Sabha and also Lok Sabha Speaker. How not to allow such incidents to take place. The only way out, Akshita, is to take opposition into the confidence, because running the house is responsibility of the government.